Welcome to today's lesson. Uh, Today we're going to look at pig production, and this is agriculture, agriculture form 2. So you are with me, your teacher, Andrew Cobby. So pig production um, is more profitable as compared to uh, keeping other livestock such as cattle, talk of sheep, talk of goats. And this pig production is more profitable because of the following reasons. The first one, pigs, they have a high profitability. So when talk of profitability, for example, a sow, it is able to give birth to several piglets, okay, at one farrowing. So just one farrowing, you find that there are a lot of piglets. So that's why it is so profitable. Then the gestation period in pigs is short than it is in cattle. Talk of sheep as well as in goats. So gestation period of pigs, you find that it is 115 days. So it is more short. So since it is short, so it is possible to get 2 litters per year, or it can give birth 2 times per year. So the common sowing is 3 months, 3 weeks, and 3 days. So that's why this farming, this type of production is more profitable as compared to other. Even if you are saying that pig production is more profitable as compared to keeping other livestock, but still more, we find that pig farming in Malawi has not been exploited to the maximum. So some of the reasons why pig production is not done to the maximum in our country, Malawi, is because of religious beliefs. We talk of Islamic communities; they never rear or eat pig products. So yeah, they cannot keep these pigs. Then talk of culture. So some communities do not accept pig rearing and their products. So because of these two, you find that pig production has not been fully exploited in Malawi. So pigs are reared for either pork or bacon production. So they are reared for pork or bacon production. So when talk of pork, this is meat from young pig weighing 45 to 50 kgs at 4 months old. So the meat is not salted. Bacon is it's meat from an old pig weighing 100 kg live. So that's the difference between bacon as well as the difference between bacon and pork. So it is normally obtained from the back and the side of the pig. That one is bacon. So pigs also provide bristles used for making synthetic leather fabrics. So those are some of the uses of pig. Then let's go to breeds of pigs. So the first one is local breed. So when talk of local breeds, in Malawi are not commonly reared for commercial purposes. So these local breeds, they are not commonly reared for commercial purpose. Most of them are kept by households in smallholder communities, and the majority of them are actually owned by women. So that's about local breeds. They are found in Malawi, but they are not reared for commercial purpose. Most of them, and they are kept uh, uh, by households in smallholder community, and the majority who own these pigs are women. So despite all this is despite the fact that these local breeds they have the ability to utilize fabulous feeds and read sorghum better, and they have got a higher parasite and disease tolerance. In other words, they resist to parasites as well as diseases. Then they have got superior organoleptic properties. So these local breeds, they have got superior organoleptic properties, and they are, they are suitable to organic protection. These are some of the advantages of local breeds. But despite all this, you find that they are layered for, they are not layered for commercial purpose, and most of them are still layered by women. So local pigs are predominantly black, but some are black, white, black and brown, and white and brown also. So there are several reasons that have led to sidelining of local pigs. So the first one, we've got negative perception against the breeds. So some people, they have got negative perception against the local breeds. Then we've got negative perception against the free range production system. So these local breeds, most of the time they are layered in free range system. So that free range system, most of the people, they have got negative attitude towards this free range system. Then talk of lack of access to market and viable marketing strategy. So lack of marketing and also lack of marketing strategies. These are some of the reasons why this local breed it is being sidelined. Then last one, I've got general lack of information with regards to carcass and processing quality of local pigs. So these are reasons why this local breed is not commonly layered in Malawi. Then let's now go to exotic breeds. So on top of exotic breeds of pigs include the first one, we've got large white. So this is the first example of exotic breed. So I've got large white. So the origin of large white is Yorkshire in Britain. So it is widely layered in many parts of Malawi. It is mainly kept for pork production. So that's about large white, kept for pork production, and it is also layered in most parts of our country, Malawi. Then let's go to characteristics of this large white. So this breed has the following characteristics. So it is long, large, and white in color. It has erect ears and has a dashed face and snout. So most prolific of all the pig breeds, and has got good mothering ability and can be affected by sunburn. Then it matures late. Then it's good. It converts. It's a good converter, in other words, good converter of feeds into meat. Then it is fairly hardy. Then has got strong hind legs. Then has a sagging back and a level underneath. So those are some of the characteristics of large white. So this is just a picture for you to appreciate how this large white looks like. So let's go to second example of exotic breeds. So second example is Danish Landless. So the origin of Danish Landless is Denmark. So it is white in color. And let's look at characteristics of Danish Landless. So the first one is it is longer than large white. So it is longer as compared to large white. Then ears are long and droop over the face. Then it is good for bacon production. So it is prolific as large white. So they're just the same. Large white and Danish landless, they're all prolific. Then has good mothering ability. So this one also just the same as large white. Large white also has got good mothering ability. Then also this Danish landless has got good mothering ability. Then it requires high level of management skills. So the back is surging and hind legs are weak. Then it has a straight snout. So those are some of the characteristics of Danish landless. So this is a picture of Danish landless. So just a picture for you to appreciate, for you to look, to see how this breed is like. So let's go to SS Saddleback and what's a Saddleback. So this one, the origin is England and Britain. That's the origin. Then the colors have got black with white band that lands down the shoulder in most breeds. So it is black and there is a white band that lands that lands down the shoulders in most of these breeds. Then its shape, the body is long and curved. That's the shape. So let's go to characteristics. So the first one, it has a it has got a straight snout. Then good for pork and bacon production. Excellent for extensive rearing system. Then good forager, meaning that it is able to search. They are able to search for their own feeds. Then excellent mothering ability. Then has got drooping ears. Those are some of the characteristics of what's a saddle and access saddle back. So this is a picture for you to appreciate how this SS saddle back looks like. So let's go to Berkshire. So this Berkshire, the origin is England. Then the color is black with white feet, face, and tail end. Then characteristics now. The first one, the face is dished. Then ears are erect. Then produce good meat, especially bacon. So this is the picture of Berkshire. So it's a picture for you to appreciate how this Berkshire looks like. Then let's go to Tamworth. So this Tamworth, the origin is England. So the color I've got red, varying from light to dark. Then it is often referred to as Sunday pig. Then let's go to characteristics. So this breed is good for bacon production. So has got long legs, slow growth rate. Then it is hardy, hence can do well in extensive layering. So when talk of hardy, what it means is it is able to resist to diseases and also some parasites. Then the sow are not prolific and they have poor mothering ability. So these are some of the characteristics of Tamworth. So that's a picture for you to understand. For you to appreciate how this Tamworth looks like. So let's go to Duroc Jersey pig. So this one, the origin is also Britain. The color is pure black. Then characteristics. Let's go to characteristics of Julok jersey. So the first one, it has got good, good for meat, but the carcass is of poor quality. So it is very good for meat, but the carcass is of poor quality. Then talk of fast growth rate and early maturity. So they grow very fast and they also mature early. So talk of sows produce large litters. Then sows have good mothering ability. Then due to black color, they do not suffer from sunburn. So this is pure black, and because of that color, it does not suffer from sunburn. So they are nervous and not as prolific as the other breeds. So that's all I had in this presentation. So if there is any question, that's our WhatsApp number and that's our email. Thank you so much and see you in my next presentation.